technology that is built for your every sense. Acer Pure from Acer.
All right, we are back with these visuals coming in, live visuals of Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurating the redeveloped Mata Tripura Sundari temple, offering prayers at the moment. Now, the Tripura Sundari temple is one of the 51 Shakti Peeth that is worshipped by Hindus. Let's go across to Pragya joining us in the broadcast with more details. There are other development projects that the Prime Minister is going to inaugurate, but at the moment, visuals coming in of the Prime Minister offering prayers. Pragya, if you can hear me, go ahead.
Absolutely, Prime Minister, has a vision that temples become the core of our culture and also our heritage, and this is exactly the reason why there's a development project that Prime Minister is soon going to be inaugurating, Tripura Mata Sundari complex, and the kind of amalgamation and also the blending of the century-old heritage with the modern amenities. This is also an example what you can do with the local economy and how you can give a push to an area that needs developmental push. Prime Minister will soon be inaugurating this new complex, and in fact it has now modern facilities like a new drainage system. There are new entrances, 3-storied temple has been built. There is guest facility as well. There are rooms as well. So all of the amenities that you can have in a temple and also can give boost to the economy. Tourists would want to come more if there are more amenities in the temple premises. But having said that, this is one of the 51 Shakti Peeths that have been revered, and it has been the center of faith of many believers. And in fact, I would say Prime Minister and Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah both have been visiting this temple. Ever since they will get a chance, they would surely visit this temple and this temple premises as well. So this is a great opportunity. In fact, I would say, and Prime Minister is inaugurating this particular temple premises. Prime Minister also believes that once you give up modern amenities,
it's a 524-year-old Tripura Sundari temple. Thank you very much, Pragya, for getting us the details. With that, we are slipping into a short break.